Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. Have you had problems with your hood not staying up when you open it up now? When you open it, it keeps coming down or stay up there for a few seconds and then come down? Well, this is a video for you. I'm going to show you how to install a hydraulic front hood lift support. Some people call it front hood lift support. So I'm about to show you how to do it. You also need to support the hood with a stick to hold it up while installing to make sure the hood don't come down on you. So just get a stick or something, or you can put it in between the hydraulics to hold it up. Okay, I have a pick tool. That's your hydraulic lift right there. So you need a pick tool or a screwdriver if you don't have a pick tool, but pick tool is a whole lot better. Now that's the bottom part of your support. It's a little metal clip that secures the support onto the metal ball. So all you have to do is take that clip off with a pick tool. You can take it off or you can just kind of loosen it. And in this video, I'm taking it all the way off. It's actually easier than what it makes it looks like here. So it's off now, and you just pull it off the metal ball. That's easy. That's as easy as you can get. It takes no more than 5 minutes to do both sides. And then you go up to the top where the other one's clamped on at. It has a metal clamp the same. They're a little different. Always remember the black part goes to the top and the silver part goes to the bottom. So what you're going to do is basically the same thing. Get your pick tool, shove it in between the gaps of the metal clamp and the plastic, and free it from the metal ball joint. And you see the metal ball joint there? Once I release the clip off of it, it's no longer gripping the metal ball, so it's going to come loose. Now, what's better about this install is it's easier to put it on than take it off. Okay, here's the new one. And I always said black part goes to top and the silver part goes to the bottom. Watch, I make a mistake already. See, I'm putting the silver part at the top. That's wrong. So I flipped it. Now that's the right. That's the black part right there. There's the hole. And all you have to do is press it in place. Pow. And for the bottom one, you do the same thing, but you have to kind of lift the hood up with your hand to adjust it to get it right in the area where the ball and press down. And guess what? It's a done deal.
Standing on his own.
That's how fast it is. I already done the driver's side, so I was doing showing you with the passenger side. Just repeat on both sides. That's all. And you see that piece of wood? That's what I use to keep it up. Now watch how springy it gets. See how it springs back up now? That thing is not coming down until those get old. So that's my video. Give me a thumbs up and like. Wow. Okay. I'll be doing many more how-to step-by-step videos on how to repair appliances. So hit the like button, comment, good or bad, subscribe to the station so you can see these videos. And if I am using a part to repair the appliance, a link will be in the description so you can buy from this channel. Have a good one.